how to fix WhatsApp voice messages not sending. So let's say you're trying to send voice message on your WhatsApp application, and there is and it won't just send. So what you're gonna do is, of course, you have to make sure that you are connected to an internet connection and a strong Wi-Fi too to be able to send a voice message. Now, if you're connected to Wi-Fi and it's still not sending, then what you can do is you can go here to your settings, then proceed to your general, and for Androids, you can go find your WhatsApp application. Now go here for iPhones, you can go to iPhone storage and then look for WhatsApp. So just look for here, and then here's the WhatsApp application, and then just simply tap on the offload app and then reinstall the application. Now for Androids, what you can do is to tap on clear cache. Remember, tap on clear cache and do not clear data to be able to preserve your data or your information that is in the application. So for the iPhone, do not be afraid to reinstall and offload the application because it will still save your contacts and basically all the data and documents and information in the WhatsApp application. It will just simply refresh and restart the application, and basically it will clean the bugs that is going on the application. And last and but not the least is to go here to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have, and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated. Now, it's very important for you to update your application. That is because there are features or there are updates that can only be used or to have you will only have an access on once you update the application. So make sure to update on that. And basically, that is it. That is how you fix WhatsApp voice messages not sending. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.